Hello everyone! In part 1 of Study in Finland, you will learn about Finland admission, scholarships, fees and cost, visa process, bank statement, English proficiency, and list of documents for admissions. All in one! This video can change your life. I bet if you come to Finland, you'll be thankful to the moment when you made a decision. So watch the video till the end and get whatever you want in your life in Finland. And before your mind distracts from any other country, I request you to Google about Finland or simply search about life and opportunities in Finland. So have some popcorn and watch every second of this video. And I request you to subscribe to Travel Range so you don't miss any opportunity in the future. So first of all, admission dates. Right now, admission is open for both bachelor's and master's. Deadline for bachelor's is 4th to 18th of January 2023. For master's, December 1st, 2022 till 4th of January 2023. And there is no application fee. What that means is apply to as many programs and as many universities you want to. Now the fee structure. As an international non-EU student, you have to pay the first-year university fee in advance after receiving the acceptance letter from the university. So what is the fee structure of universities in Finland? But don't be overwhelmed by fee structure, because right after, I will be talking about discounts and scholarships. For bachelor's, minimum fee is 6,000 euro annually, and maximum fee is 9,700 euro annually. For master's, minimum fee is 10,000 euro annually, and maximum fee is 15,000 euro annually. Now let me tell you about scholarships and discounts. For bachelor's degrees, there are no scholarships available for the first year. However, students can take advantage of an early bird discount, which varies from university to university. Some offer 15%, while others offer 50%. To qualify for the early bird discount, students must pay the university fee within 14 days of receiving their admission letter. And for masters, scholarships are awarded based on a variety of parameters, such as CGPA, letter of motivation, and so on. Master's students may be eligible for a scholarship of up to 100%. Now let's talk about documents you need to have for admission in Finland. 1. All of your academic documents, attested and verified. Number 2. Passport. Number 3. Letter of motivation. And number 4. Passport. Regarding the English language, requirements of language proficiency depend upon the university and program you are getting into. Some universities do not require ielts, but you have to pass a written exam, which is so easy, and some universities don't require it. Now funds and bank statement. The applicant must have 6,833 euros in their bank account. The funds must be in the student or main applicant's account, not the sponsor's. Regarding the sponsor, a sponsor might be anyone. It is not required to have blood relatives to be a sponsor. Students only need to produce a money trail and tax documentation. The sponsor can send funds from their account to the student or applicant's account, but they must need to produce a money trail. In addition to that, sponsor is also required to submit a 6-month bank statement. Now let me tell you 3 things to get your visa. 1. Acceptance letter from a university in Finland. 2. Tax records. 3. Money trail. Or simply call it a proof of funds. How and where it comes from. Now my friends, if you would be able to provide these 3 things as clearly and evidently as possible, you will be getting the visa 100%. Now what is the cost of visa application? There are only 2 main expenses you risk when you apply for Finland study visa. 1. Embassy fee for processing your visa application is 350 euros. 2. Health insurance would cost you around 100 euros. Now, if you are from Bangladesh, Pakistan, or any other country where Finland does not have an embassy, Then here is some extra cost you need to be ready for. For Pakistani students, they need to fly to UAE for visa application. And the cost breakdown would be UAE visa around $70 and flight around 200 euros. For students in Bangladesh, Finland Embassy in Delhi provide visa services. So my friends, this was all about admission and visa process for study in Finland. In the second part, I have talked about PR and citizenship, job opportunities, living expenses, benefits, and drawbacks of study in Finland, and much more. I would highly recommend you to watch that video if you are serious about studying abroad. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and leave the comment if you have any question. I will see you in the second part.